Hi, it's Phil from the BandLab Academy, teaching music to the world's digital learners. Welcome to part 1 of this new tutorial series, how to create a song with just 4 chords. Chords are the building blocks of all songs, and with just a little knowledge, you can go a long way to becoming a competent songwriter. Learning just 4 chords will allow you to play thousands of songs and, more importantly, help you to create your own song. In this first video of the series, you'll learn the classic chords of C Major, F Major, G Major and A Minor. And if you watch the video all the way through, you'll discover how to download and use these chords in BandLab or in any other software you're using. What is there not to like? Now don't worry, I'm not going to go into any music theory, mainly because I don't know anything about it. But that's never stopped me, and it's not going to stop you. Let me show you how. Here are the 4 chords. F Major, A Minor, C Major, G Major. Now let's just reorder them. If you want these chords and progressions served on a plate so that you don't have to do anything, just follow the link in the description. And if you want to play and record them yourself, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this quickly and easily. The first, using a MIDI keyboard, and if you don't have one, using the computer QWERTY keyboard. If you've got an electronic keyboard that can be connected to your computer with either a USB or a MIDI lead, you can record your own chords. Plug in and turn on your keyboard. If you're successful, you should see that BandLab has recognized it. Go to Add Track. Choose Instruments. Click on the Instrument tab in the bottom left corner. Click on the green text under MIDI Devices. You should see the name of your keyboard. In my case, Code 49. Now when I play the keyboard, the virtual keyboard is played and I can hear the music. Click on Pitch so that the notes appear on the keyboard. Position your finger so you're playing an A, a C, and an F. Now press the 3 notes together. When you're ready to record, solo the track and put the metronome on. Rewind and listen back. If it's not quite in time, undo and try again until you're happy. Now let's do the same for the next chord, A minor, A, C, E. A, C, E. This time I'm recording from bar 2. If you're happy with it, click on bar 3. The third chord is C major, G, C, E. And the last chord is G major. G, B, D. I'm clicking on bar 4 and ready to record. Now name each chord. First one is F major, and if you wanted to, you could write the notes A, C and F. The second one is A minor, A, C and E. The third is C major, which is G, C and E. And the last one is G major, G, B and D. Now you can copy and paste them in any order you want. I've created 4 progressions, but there are many more possibilities. All you need to do is move them around in any order until you found something that you like. And you could call that a verse or a chorus or an intro or a break, whatever you like. What I've done, as you can see, is to put them on a different track so I can color code them, and that for me makes it easier to learn and to see what I'm playing. You decide what's best for you. If you haven't got a MIDI keyboard, let's record using your computer's QWERTY keyboard. Click on pitch on the virtual keyboard and the keyboard will change to the QWERTY keyboard. The first chord is F major, which on the QWERTY keyboard is R, Y, O. The second chord is A minor, R, Y, I. The third is C major, E, Y, I. And the fourth is G major, E, T, U. So when you're ready, rewind the track, click on record, don't forget I've forked this track in BandLab so that you can access it with the link in the description, or go to my BandLab page and fork the track. It's called C major, A minor, 4 chords and 4 chord progressions. To do that, come out of BandLab, make sure you've saved your work, go to Exit, copy and paste the link, and go to Fork This Revision. Open in Mix Editor, and there's the complete tracks as you saw me record and the ones I've made earlier. If you wanted to download any of these chords, you can right click, export region as a MIDI file or as a WAV file. As a MIDI file, that means you can load it into your DAW, digital audio workstation, and change the sound to whatever instrument you want. If it's a WAV file, you can't change the sound, so you decide what you want to do. In the next video, we're going to learn how to add an awesome bass line to these 4 chords. So make sure you like, subscribe, and ding that bell so that you don't miss it. Don't forget that in the description you'll find the link to download and use these chords in BandLab or in the software that you're using. Plus a link to learn how to play a chord with just one finger. That's another one of my YouTube videos. So until we meet again, keep making music.